So I really appreciate you guys having me out here today. Thank you so much. But I wanted to get your thoughts about what you thought of the keynote today.
I think it was amazing. All of the information you share with our youth, it's so important for them to know about credit and just really building their brand and who they are. And so thank you for that opportunity to share with our students.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you for having me today.
Absolutely.
And what'd you think, Tim?
Brother, when I tell you I enjoyed the golden nuggets you dropped today, there was a lot of great impactful nuggets from your story, from being a single dad to your family starting early, from going from your credit journey. Even talking about the biggest thing is like your positive energy, because so many times we have the gifts and the talent, but we don't have that positivity or feel connected. People are able to come and really connect with you, but that positivity that you exuded on stage was awesome. I'm definitely going to be recommending you to other campuses and universities to be for the Male Summit. I think you have definitely a target audience with men and helping them to move to the next level. So I hope that's a target and an initiative for you, because men need to hear your story. And I think that'll be a great opportunity. And we look forward to working with you more in years to come. So you're definitely going to be my speed dial.
That's what's up. Thank you so much, sir.